Hello, welcome to the Educon Community Aptitude Series Part 5. Here I am going to discuss some important formulas of the problems on height and distance. So let's continue with us. So first of all, let's assume the perpendicular triangle. This is O, A, and this is B. Okay, so it is the hypotenuse, it is the perpendicular, and it is the base. So first of all, you have to remember that sine B sine B means this angle. Sine B is the perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is the perpendicular? What is the perpendicular? That is AB with respect to that. Okay. Perpendicular is AB. And what is the hypotenuse? This is OB. Okay. Then cos B. These all are in small. Okay. C small, A small. Cos B. Cos B is base divided by hypotenuse. Okay. So what is the base? OA. And what is the hypotenuse? That is OB. What is the tan B? Point number 3. This is tan B. Tan B is the perpendicular by base. Or you can write it as sin B by cos B. Sin B means P by H. Cos B means B by H. P by H. B by H. This is also that P by B. Okay. So what is the perpendicular? AB. AB divided by what is the base? OA. Okay. Then point number 4. What is the cosec B? What is the cosec B? Cosec B is nothing but 1 divided by sin B. So what is the sin B? P by H. So cosec B equals to H by P, means reciprocal of sin B. So this is OB by AB. Okay. Reciprocal of sin B. OB by AB. Next, sec B. This is reciprocal of cos B. Okay. So sec B is 1 divided by cos B. Cos B is OA by OB. So sec B is reciprocal of that. So OB by OA. Okay. And last, cot B. Cot B is 1 by tan B, means reciprocal of tan B. What is tan B? AB by OA. So it is OA by AB. Clear? Now I am going to tell about trigonometrical identities. This is point 2. There are some formulas. You have to remember that formulas. This is that sine square B plus, means sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Okay. So sine square B plus cos square B, this is 1. Next, tan square B okay, let's write in this way. Suppose sec square b, sec square b minus tan square b equals to 1. Okay, and last, cosec, in the same way, cosec square b minus cot square b equals to 1. So this 1, 2, 3 are same. You can assume in this way also, sin square b plus cos square b equals to sec square b minus tan square b equals to cosec square b minus cot square b equals to 1. Okay, then I'm going to share about the values of trigonometric ratios. Okay, okay. So it is the b. Okay, it is the b or theta. Okay, in 0 degree, what is the ratio? In 30 degree means pi by 6. What is the ratio? Then in 45 degree means pi by 4. What is the ratio? Then in 60 degree means pi by 3. What is the ratio? And in 90 degree means in pi by 2. What is the ratio of sine b, cos b, or tan b? And from these three, you can calculate the cosec b or sec b or cot b by doing the reciprocal of those values. Okay. So first of all, sine b. This is cos b, and this is tan b. Okay. So sine b. Values. Put the values means these angles in the space of b. Okay. Means sine 0. Sine 0 is 0. Sine 30 is half. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Sine 60 is root 3 divided by 2. And sine 90 degree is 1. Okay. In the same way, cos b is reciprocal of that. Suppose means sine square b minus cos square b is 1. So sine square b is sine square b plus cos square b equals to 1. Okay. So sine square b is 0. Then cos square b equals to 1. Okay. So cos b here it is 1. So cos 0 is 1. In the same way, cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. That is sine 60. And cos 45 is 1 by root 2. And cos 60 is half, as sine 30 is half. And as sine 90 degree is 1 and sine 0 is 0. So cos 90 is 0. and tan B, do the sin B by cos B. So sin 0 by cos 0, that is 0. In the same way, tan 30 is 1 by 2 by 1 root 3 by 2. This is 1 by root 3. Then here tan 45, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, that is 1. Tan 60 means root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, means root 3. And tan 90 is 1 by 0, that is not defined. Okay. Now I am going to share about angle of elevation. Okay. What is angle of elevation? Angle of elevation. Okay. This is horizontal line. Okay. This is angle of elevation. And this is line of sight. Line of sight. Okay. Suppose a man from a point O, okay, looks up at an object P placed above the level of his eye. Then the angle which the line of sight makes with the horizontal through O is called the angle of elevation of P as seen from O. So the angle of elevation of P from O, angle of elevation from P, angle of elevation of P, angle of elevation of P from O is AOP. Okay, in this direction. Clear? Now angle of depression. Angle of depression. So this is P, this is A, this is O. This is the line of sight. Okay, this is horizontal line and this is the angle of depression. Okay, suppose a man from a point O looks down at an object P. This is P and this is the point from where a man looks. Okay, so a point O looks down from a point O looks down at an object P placed below the level of his eye. Then the angle which the line of sight makes with the horizontal through O. Okay, this is called as the angle of depression of P as seen from O. Clear? So here the angle of depression AOP angle of depression of P from O is AOP in this direction. Clear? Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe. And in the next video, I will discuss some sample questions about the heights and distance. Thank you.